But the way most Americans approach the college financial aid system and the application process, which again, besides paying out of your own pocket, will be your only resource to offset this cost of college, was like taking shots in the dark, blindfolded, trying to hit bullseyes. I put the another quote, if you will, or kind of a mindset, more likely, on this slide as well. And it's like, yeah, you don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, and let's see what happens. I want to position your family in the best possible way by learning from years of research and trial and error and following a systematic approach to increase your odds of success. Some of the variables are going to be out of your control. We're not going to worry about them. We're going to understand them and address them and know where they fit into the process and into the equations. Remember the financial aid equation, which we'll get into next week. But we're not gonna worry about them. We're only gonna worry about the things that we can control. Okay. Good news is that you don't have to do years worth of research or trial and error and come up with your own approach. I've done all that work for you. All you have to do is take my advice, listen to these modules, and follow along as I lead you down this path.